Brian back here with another look at Beam. Alright, yesterday on yesterday's video, we called for a pullback down, right down to here to 0.0269, about 0.027. Alright, we made it down to 0.0272. Alright, so we ended up missing that by a hair. Alright, this thing ended up, exactly what was it? Maybe 1%. We ended up missing it by, but it ended up doing an ABC correction here. Okay, just fell a little bit short here, ended up right there. All right, so sorry about that, missed that by 1%, but now we ended up breaking out of this resistance and we're moving up higher, heading towards our price target here pretty soon. Obviously getting up there. I think that is on my other Beam chart here. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's on this one here. Okay, we have squeaked up here to 0.0308. Obviously our target is up here at 0.032. all right, marching our way up here. Now let's take a look at a few things here. We're going to look at this chart, dig in it a little bit deeper here. A couple things I want to show you guys real quick going on in the market here. Obviously we want to pay attention to number one, Bitcoin. $51,812 right now. All right, that's 702's up here, 53,000, a little over 53,000. Is anything going to happen there? We'll see. You know, this trend-based fib for this move here puts this up at 54.7ish. Okay, could it get rejected after that? Absolutely. We'll see what happens, guys. Back in 2019, all right, when we had the bull run right here, we had the bear market, of course. We had the 2019 retracement. We fell 50%, all right, and then we started our steady incline up for our bull run back in 2019. All right, kind of what I was looking for here also. We had our, obviously we had our run up, we had our run down, we had our bear market. I was looking for a 2021 retracement, then a pull down, to not that low, about roughly 35,000 bucks, and then a steady incline back up. Okay, number one, I'm hoping that for this, for a obviously for some sales. Okay, if we do get this pullback, there would be some massive altcoin sales out there. All right, if we don't get it, we don't get it. It keeps going up to the moon, and we're off. But we'll see what happens here with this thing after it hits this 53,000. A little over 53,000 bucks is at 702, and we'll see what happens. The main thing that's got me worried a little bit about a pullback, the monthly RSI. You can see right here, it is right at the top, 100 and a 100. Okay, we have our daily. The weekly just turned up, but we have weekly bearish divergence too. All right, there's your daily. It's bearish, 97 and a 98. And then if we look at the weekly, all right, the weekly just turned up, but we have this high and we have a lower high. Okay, and on price we had this high and we had a higher high in price. We have bearish divergence on the weekly there, and we really got to pay attention to that stuff, because you never know here. It could end up if it takes out this line, have an alarm set on it and sets a new high, then that bearish divergence is out of play. All right, but the weekly has just turned back up. It's at a 49 and a 29. It is bullish. Doesn't mean a whole lot until it breaks through that 702. Okay, and breaks. I wouldn't feel real confident until it takes out, probably 55,000, 56,000 bucks. Then I would feel pretty confident that we're not going to have this big pullback. We're going to have a pullback at some time. All right, this looks like 5 waves up. If this is 5 waves up, then you have an ABC correction, and then possibly we work our way down. Or this works 5 waves up, we have an ABC correction, and it takes back off up to the upside. Like I said, either way, it doesn't matter, guys. Okay, if you hold, if we get a big pullback, you hold, don't do anything, it's going to go back up. Bitcoin's going up over 200 grand this year. So, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm just saying that's what the Fibonacci says. The Fibonacci says the high 200, right around 240,000 is the target the Fib is given. Okay, and thank you to all the new members yesterday. I appreciate it so very much, guys. You guys are the best. That signed up for the trading courses. $14.99, 9 hours, 20 plus videos. I got a ton of content for you guys to watch if you go sign up. Get you into the Discord, any membership. $1.99 a month get you into the Discord. All right, we have guys posting trades over there. I posted a couple yesterday. I posted that beam pullback, that little short that we had, and I posted a ape breakout there. It broke out of resistance. So, and any of you guys out there that are members, if you see any good trades, please place them over there. We're all here to make money, and we're all here for the same thing. So, but keep your eye on Bitcoin at a little over 53,000. We're going to see what happens there. All right, let's take a look at the volume for Beam here and see what's going on here. Okay, we're going to check volume out on this thing. Beam. There we go. Let's see where the volume is for this thing. See if we got a lot of volume coming in or not. Okay, volume is down 36%, 58.7 million. All right, 36.4% down from yesterday. $1.5 billion market cap is good for number 53. I got high hopes for this thing, guys. 3 cents. Okay, 3 cents. I'm looking for at least a 50x out of this thing yet. That would put it at $1.50, possibly higher. Anywhere that you can 50x your money that's not a bad thing in a year. All right, by January next year, less than a year now. By just November, December, January, Bitcoin should be topping. If you can 50x your money, that's not too shabby. All right, and that's what I'm thinking this thing is probably going to do. Up to $1.50, at least $1. Who knows? Could head to $2. Really hard to tell. Really. Let's go over here to CoinGlass. Let's put Beam on here once on CoinGlass and see. I love this site. I really do. CoinGlass is awesome. They list all the open interest on every single coin. They list everything on here. It's awesome. I love it. Right here they have open interest is plus 9%, $22 million. Volume down. They post everything, the longs and shorts, 1 hour wrecked. They list everything. It's pretty cool, the stuff they put on here. If you go down through here, exchange futures open interest on Bybit's 21 million. On Bing X, 312,000 on futures. Beam volume on Bybit, 21.4 million. They got some pretty cool stuff over here. I love CoinGlass. Open interest for the crypto market, 48.8 billion. That's getting high. 4.61% higher than yesterday. 24-hour liquidations are up 17% at 179.4 billion. And 24-hour volume for the crypto market, 136.6 billion. That's pretty flat from yesterday. Okay, like I said, Bitcoin, that 53,000. Keep an eye out for it. Let's go over to Beam. Take a look at this. All right, we have this support line coming right up through here, keeping very, very good support. This thing looks fine. Like I said in yesterday's video, let's get rid of this. Let's just put that down to a 1 and turn that yellow. That's a support line. All right, as long as it corrected here, that ABC, and it held this. If you go back to yesterday's video, I said that ABC correction should hold this trend line, and it did. And look what happened. It's marching right up here. All right, now if you take if this is like if this is a wave 4 in here, all right, you would take your Fibonacci to look for the target for the extension, and look how that matches up with our target. 0.031997. All right, we're looking for 0.032. So that this gives you your target for if you have a fourth wave and you want to target for a fifth wave, you put the Fibonacci on top of it, and the 1618 will give you your fifth wave target. And that's where it's pointing, 0.03, basically 0.032, exactly what we're shooting for. So it's looking, everything is pointing that direction. Now, the 4-hour RSI, heading up, bullish, okay, 69 and a 51, 8-hour, just turning up, 13 and an 8. All right, now you do have some bearish divergence down here. Right down here, you have this high, you have a lower high, and you have a lower high. You got lower highs printing here on the 8-hour. All right, kind of expect that. Just like Bitcoin, once you get that fifth wave extension, you're going to probably have a big ABC correction after that, more than likely. All right, let me tame some of these down a hair in here so it's not so clogged up in here, the support and resistance areas. All right, now you got your 12-hour right at the top, an 85 and an 88. Once again, do we have bearish divergence? Yes, you got lower highs coming in on that. All right, on the 12-hour, on the daily. Where are we at here? Come on. 99.5 and a 99.6, right at the top, right at the very top. And then we do not have a weekly yet. All right, so we're looking for that one last push up here to complete this last move, and that would be a total 4% higher. That's what we're looking for. And then after that, like I said, folks, I would be expecting a ABC correction after that. And it looks, you can clearly see through here. All right, it's a lot, especially on a daily, when you got your one red there. It looks like right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all right, so that's what we're looking for, that one last push up there, and then an ABC correction, and then we'll see where we stand after that. That'll give that daily time to come down and reset. But everything is moving along just like we planned, so everything is looking good. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys. Please let me know that you enjoy this content, and go beam. It looks like one more wave up here, and then we'll see what happens after that. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody.